bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Natibo ang
Assalamu alaikum waro madalahi wabarakatuh. Good morning / afternoon, everyone. My name is Andini Wulandari, student ID 224111042 for management. Today, I will be presenting on the topic of fundamental concepts of industrial psychology, job satisfaction, and productivity. Let's begin our discussion on this important subject. Description: Industrial psychology, also known as industrial organizational psychology, is the scientific study of human behavior in the workplace. It focuses on understanding how individuals interact within their work environments and how organizations can be structured to optimize performance, productivity, and employee well-being. This field applies psychological theories and principles to real-world organizational challenges, with the goal of improving both individual and organizational outcomes. Selection and recruitment. Selection and recruitment are critical roles in industrial psychology. This process involves identifying, assessing, and selecting candidates who possess the skills and characteristics needed by the organization. This concept includes the use of various tools and methods such as 1. Psychological tests, used to measure intelligence, personality, and work-related abilities of potential candidates. 2. Interviews, aim to evaluate the candidate's work experience, communication skills, and cultural fit with the organization. 3. Job assessments, simulations that assess practical skills relevant to the job being applied for. Effective selection reduces employee turnover and ensures the company hires the best talent for the required roles. B. Training and development. Once employees are hired, they often need training to perform effectively. This training focuses not only on technical skills, but also on developing interpersonal and leadership abilities. Industrial psychology plays a key role in designing effective training programs, such as 1. Orientation training provides basic information about the company, workplace procedures, and job responsibilities. 2. Technical training enhances the technical skills needed for daily work tasks. 3. Career development provides opportunities for employees to grow professionally through leadership training or competency development. The goal of training and development is to help employees reach optimal performance and prepare them to face future challenges. C. Motivation and job satisfaction. Motivation and job satisfaction are crucial elements that influence employee performance. Industrial psychology studies the factors that motivate employees to perform better and feel satisfied at work. Some common motivation theories used in industrial psychology include 1. Maslow's hierarchy of needs identifies human needs such as physiological, safety, social, esteem, and self-actualization needs that must be met to increase motivation. 2. Herzberg's two-factor theory suggests there are two categories that affect job 3, satisfaction, motivators like recognition, responsibility, and achievement, and hygiene factors like salary and work conditions. Companies that understand these factors can create a work environment that supports high motivation and good job satisfaction, ultimately leading to increased productivity and employee loyalty. D. Performance evaluation. Performance evaluation is an important part of human resource management in industrial psychology. This process involves an objective assessment of employee performance in relation to set goals. It often includes 1. Supervisor evaluation. Supervisors evaluate employees' performance based on set targets and achievements. 2.360-degree feedback. Employees' performance is evaluated not only by supervisors but also by peers, subordinates, and even customers. 3. Self-assessment. Employees may also be asked to assess their own performance, which helps them recognize their strengths and weaknesses. E. Managing interpersonal relationships. Social relationships in the workplace greatly influence the work environment and productivity. Some key aspects in managing workplace relationships include 1. Effective communication. creating open communication channels between employees and management to encourage transparency and collaboration. 2. Teamwork, encouraging employees to work together effectively in teams, ultimately improving productivity and innovation. 3. Conflict management, developing strategies to resolve conflicts between employees or between employees and supervisors in a way that doesn't disrupt productivity. Positive interpersonal relationships contribute to a productive and emotionally healthy work environment. Health and safety at work. Industrial psychology also focuses on the health and safety of employees. Some concepts related to workplace health include 1. Stress prevention, creating a balanced work environment to prevent employee burnout or excessive stress. 2. Ergonomics, adjusting the physical workspace, such as desk layout, seating, and equipment, to reduce the risk of injury or physical discomfort. 3. Workplace safety, ensuring high safety standards are in place to protect employees from workplace accidents. Companies that prioritize employee health and safety tend to have a more productive and loyal workforce, as employees feel valued and cared for. Factors influence employee behavior and organizational effectiveness. Individual factors. These include an employee's abilities, personality, attitudes, and motivation. Each employee has strengths and weaknesses that affect how they perform and adapt to tasks assigned. Work environment factors. Physical conditions in the workplace, such as lighting, noise, temperature, and office design, can impact performance and comfort. A supportive and comfortable work environment generally leads to increased productivity and job satisfaction. Organizational factors. The organizational structure, management style, company culture, and internal policies greatly influence employee behavior and motivation. Organizations with supportive, fair, and transparent cultures tend to have more productive and loyal employees. Social factors. Relationships between employees, teamwork, and social interactions in the workplace also affect psychological well-being and performance. Support from coworkers and managers can boost morale and motivation. Reward and incentive factors. A fair compensation system, opportunities for promotion, and recognition of work play a crucial role in motivating employees. When employees feel their contributions are valued, they tend to be more motivated and satisfied. Training and development factors. Opportunities for professional growth and learning can enhance employees' skills, abilities, and motivation. Organizations that invest in training and development often see improvements in employee productivity and engagement. In conclusion, weaknesses. Managing interpersonal relationships. Social relationships in the workplace greatly influence the work environment and productivity. Some key aspects in managing workplace relationships include 1. Effective communication, creating open communication channels between employees and management to encourage transparency and collaboration. 2. Teamwork, encouraging employees to work together effectively in teams, ultimately improving productivity and innovation. 3. Conflict management, developing strategies to resolve conflicts between employees or between employees and supervisors in a way that doesn't disrupt productivity. Positive interpersonal relationships contribute to a productive and emotionally healthy work environment. Health and safety at work. Industrial psychology also focuses on the health and safety of employees. Some concepts related to workplace health include 1. Stress prevention, creating a balanced work environment to prevent employee burnout or excessive stress. 2. Ergonomics, adjusting the physical workspace, such as desk motivation. Organizations that invest in training and development often see improvements in employee productivity and engagement. In conclusion, we have explored the fundamental concepts of industrial psychology, highlighting the significance of understanding human behavior in the work environment. By applying the principles of industrial psychology, we can enhance both productivity and employee well-being. I hope this presentation has been informative and serves as a foundation for further understanding. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We have explored the fundamental concepts of industrial psychology, highlighting the significance of understanding human behavior in the work environment. By applying the principles of industrial psychology, we can enhance both productivity and employee well-being. I hope this presentation has been informative and serves as a foundation for further understanding. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.